Hello, good Monday morning everybody. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den, and I would like to announce to you, or introduce to you rather, the new Blackberry Beauty Suite. It is on page 44 of our July to December mini catalogue. This morning I've been busy trying to sort it all out. And then we've got, let me get that page back up, because then I can explain to you about that as well, can't I? Right. I don't think I've got that, and I haven't got that, but all these other things, you can see the papers, stamps, the dies, and the ephemera I have, okay? Now then, these are the dies. You've got those there. That one, that where you could, I don't really need to explain that to you, because you know what cuts out what. And then we've got this beautiful die. Huge. It is, I mean, I'm going to dig deeper. Here I am. Now this is approximately 6 inches by 4.5 inches, so that's a big die. And then the stamp set, I mean, it's beautiful. Wendy is speechless. Right, so I'll look through this now. Now this is the, I call this the front and that the back. But I don't know why, probably the other way around, but I'm not sure. Hold on, I'm just going to drink. So these are all the papers. Can you see that properly up there? You can't see that. Right, remember that. Right, now there's, like I said, this paper, these are huge die there. And these are the other little ones. What's nice is all the little leaves as well. We go 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves, all of different sizes. And why have you come out? Oh, it doesn't look like I don't know. I was probably half asleep when I did this morning, and I thought that I'd obviously stuck glue on them all, but obviously not, Wendy. Right, so I stuck him down, and beautiful little birds, and oh, I mean, that is my favourite, because I used to do a lot of quilting, and I went to a quilting shop, and then they had some material they call fusion, I think it's called, and it's very, very similar to that, so that is my favourite, and it's purple. Well, you know, what else can it be? And here then we've got the sayings. The changing of leaves remind us that new wonders are just around the corner. Oh, so my throat is dry today. And then it's different. I know this is a difficult day. How many times have you been somewhere and you want to say something but don't know what to say? That's it. And there's another one then. I'm here for you. Again, you know, if somebody passes away or a situation like that, you don't want to say, oh, I'm sorry for your loss, because that, believe me, that starts me all crying again, because I've just been through it. So just saying I'm here for you, you know, that's all it means, because I say the words mean a lot, don't they? This is lovely, of course, that. And then some people are just likeable, and you're one of those people, so that should be one on top of the other. Right. So that is my, that's how I lay my, any sweets out, I lay them out like this. Oh, I'll keep that for my, now what I'm planning to do, I've been writing a list, checking it, there it is, 1, 2, I've got at least 5 projects that I'm going to be doing with this beautiful suite. Now this is these are the ephemera. Now I don't tend to stick these on these boards, because there's usually, sometimes there's 2 of them, sometimes there's 1, but I just don't do that, because they pop out and everything, and even after you've popped them out, let's see if I can pop this one out. Well, you can see there, see there's a frame there, So not much of this will get, what's the word I'm thinking of? All of it will be used, or as much of it as possible will be used. So we've got that piece, and then these are the die cuts, and these just pop out, which is beautiful and easy. You know, if you want a quick card, bish, bash, bosh, boom, done. Then you got this, you can put a sentiment there, and you're done. So I will be using these. So that's another project I've got on my to-do list. And then you've got two of those and two of these. I think you've got two of those as well, but I don't know where mine's gone to. Let's have a look in here. 54, 44, 40, 44 and 45. No, it only looks like you only get one of those. But they're beautiful. And like I said, these are die cuts. Everybody likes it. As soon as you put a little bit of gold on a card, it's woo, look at that. So you can do that with these, no problem. So there we go. There is my introduction to the beautiful Blackberry Suite. Well, I call it Blackberry Suite, but what was it they called it again? Yeah, it is. Blackberry Beauty Suite. So I hope you like it, and I very much hope that you'll join me for when I do all these, at least 6 projects with it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.